The following project was a massive failure, but because of this, it led me to make one of my favourite pieces to date. I'm trying to make a concrete lamp. Originally I was just going to scrap this video, forget about it and post the second version that I made. Well, actually it was the third version, but more on that later. But I thought to myself, why not post it and show everyone else all the things that I've learned from what turned out to be a failed project. The idea behind the lamp was to make a form out of some melamine and then to fill it with concrete, sand and rebar to make a solid lamp with an exposed centre where the light would hang and upright rebar on the front. I made the form without any issues, added the rebar, and that was the first issue that I had. I'd wanted to use some 10mm thick rebar, but I could only find lightweight stuff locally. So I swapped this out and I used some threaded bar instead, which in my head would look really good, but in reality, it didn't. I packed wet sand into the form and this is where the cutout section of the lamp would be. I added the light fitting into this and then I poured the concrete. Should have done this first, but I forgot. But it's still worth doing now. Obviously just try not to get it on the rebar and the threaded bar, because the concrete does want to stick to that, but the concrete will encase that anyway. All of this part went to plan. I vibrated the form to get any air bubbles out, which was my next regret. It ended up being too smooth and I really wanted more of an industrial look, so I should have left some air bubbles and voids. I left the concrete for a few days to set, and this brings us on to the next mistake I made. I didn't add any additional material to the concrete to make it lighter. I didn't think that at this size it would be too heavy, but I was very wrong, as you're about to see. I took the concrete out of the form and I cleaned it up to remove all of the sand, but it weighed an absolute ton. I didn't weigh this, but the version 3 that I made was about 70 kilos, so I think this one was well over 100. I left the concrete by the fire to dry, but after looking at it for a while, I realised that it just sort of looked too top heavy, and I decided that I would flip it round and make the light stand upright rather than hanging down. So to do this, I added some resin to the cord to allow it to stand up. This worked really well, and then I added a coat of resin to the whole thing to bring out the colour a bit more and to stop the dust from the concrete. However, I absolutely hated this look, especially because the epoxy resin is a gloss finish, so it give it a really wet look. I also quickly decided that I didn't like the larger pieces of ballast that I used for the concrete. So knowing what I know now, I then moved on to version 2 and had this one down as a learning experience. I'm not sure how, but somehow version 2 turned out to be even more of a disaster than version 1. I used the leftover concrete, but because the bag was open, I think it must have gone off because none of the concrete cured. I don't actually have any footage from that attempt, but I got a new bag of concrete and moved on to version 3. I changed out the threaded bar for a sheet of steel mesh, and I added some insulation to make it lighter and made sure that the sand was positioned so that the lamp wouldn't look top heavy when it was finished. Then, thankfully, when I removed it from the form, I was completely happy with how it looked. I've made a full video for the successful version of this lamp, and I was really chuffed with how it turned out. Usually I would have been annoyed at the wasted time, effort and money that the first 2 attempts had cost me. But for this one, it just turned out to be an accumulation of skills and mistakes that I'd learnt from that resulted in one of the best things that I've ever made. So what I'm saying is, if you fail on a project or make a mistake, smash it up, get really annoyed, but just get over it and then make something even better. Subscribe to the channel to see many more failures in future.